Right guys, this is another day in paradise and we're going to have our fishing day. So the weather is finally okay here. It's kind of a little bit of wavy, but it's better than the last few days. So we're going fishing. We're heading out to get some squid with my brother, and I'm going to show you guys how we did it, how we get the squid, how are we doing it, and I hope we will be able to get a good catch. It's a little bit shower, just a little bit shower, so I hope it won't rain that much today so that we will be able to enjoy our fishing night. Alright, let's go! It is wavy, guys. So we're not going super deep this time because it's a little bit windy. So it's like this here. But if you were reach in the deep, it will be really wavy. So yeah, we're not gonna get so far. And it's a little bit showery. I hope it won't rain that much later. I'm going to look for a squid. Whoa, it's really wavy.
Aon. Aon. Wala ko. Ikaw na tayo. Nasi na po yung talustos na yung tihon ng talustos yung kako niya po na
Talustos ra pa'y paon. Gumayon ra di ay.
Kalas. Ito lang papasaw na, kaya nakanay mo yun. Bakal ka ng kala.
Amput, wala man. Wala jo. May irisano ni. Wala pa man kauna ni? Ay, nakit-kita na di ay. Nakit-kita na. Got 2 squids. Now I'm making my my bait. Look at that, they're still alive. Oh, they're breathing so much. So the bait for the squid to eat is also squid. So you get the squid to get the squid. You make the squid bait to get the squid, and then you need to have light because the squid, the light attracts the squid, and then they will try to eat your bait, and then you will be able to catch them. Okay guys, so it's super wavy. Yes, the waves is super bad in the deep, so my brother decided to go home because she's also worried about me that I might have a seasick. So this is our catch. This is the squid, and we also have some fish under the squid inside. So we're heading home now. We're going to have a squid soup. Yes, we are fishing for 2 hours, and then we had to go home because I think it's more than 2 hours actually, but we had to go home because yeah, it's a very bad weather. The weather is bad. Okay, and we're going to have our oh, this is a very scary way. Very slippery. It's so weird, like it's raining there and it's not raining here. It's my brother. He's doing the cupra. So it's the coconut that he is trying to dry so that he could sell it. I'm going to show you. Uy. Oh. Here we go. Only got the... This is our catch. It's not too much. Just few fish. Got few fish. And a few squids. So let's prepare. Okay guys. We're cooking this guys. Okay, just gonna wait for the fish to be cooked and the squid. Just putting water to the fish and the squid, and then we're going to put spring onion, and then we're going to mix salt. It's so good. It's so good. Oh yeah. So I got so wet, guys. My pants super wet. So I had to take off my t-shirt because it's getting wet as well. It was very fun. I wanted to stay, but the waves just got crazy, and I think it would also rain. I mean, it started raining already, so yeah. I think we better go home before the rain starts and the waves will go super bad, because I'm afraid we wouldn't be able to make it home. But it's okay. We're alive and we made it. So next time, just have to check the weather is okay before we're heading out. So yep. And I'm going home to home later. I'm just gonna have some fish, hot fish and squid soup. Yes. We're eating now. With my brother's family. Very fresh. Con ra.
Ano na ipilon do dong?
Alright guys, I'm back home. Yes, it was indeed an adventure fishing night, and hopefully the next night will be better, so that we will be able to stay longer and we will be able to sell the fish finally. So the weather was really bad, and I'm scared that it would get worse. So yes, I hope you enjoy our province life journey today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to me yet, and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be able to get updates of my latest videos, and give me a thumbs up and comment down below for all another videos that you want to see from my channel. Thank you. See you later.